Webflow CMS. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by going to your website and searching for Webflow. Sign in or log into your account, then click New Site. After that, click Blank Site and set your site name. Then click Create Site. Now go to the CMS section on the top left corner and create a collection. Set your collection name and collection URL. Then go to Collection Fields. Set the name and the slug for your collection. If you want to add a new field, just click Add Field and select your field type. For example, you can use Rich Text as your field type. Set a label for the field and add help text if you want to provide additional guidance. You can also add minimum and maximum character count limits for the field. Click Create Collection when you're done setting it up. After that, if you want to add items inside your collection, you can click Create New Item. Alternatively, you can generate sample items using AI by clicking Generate Sample Items. Set how many items you want to add and describe the items below, then click Generate to automatically populate your collection.